Welcome to our video tutorial on implementing Bitcoin payment processing using Java. In today's video, we will walk through the entire setup process, the coding aspects, and how to handle payments securely and efficiently. To start with, let's briefly talk about what Bitcoin payment processing entails and why it's important. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure peer-to-peer transactions over the internet. Implementing Bitcoin payments in your application can help you reach a broader market, especially in regions where traditional banking services may be limited. The first step in our process will be setting up a Bitcoin wallet. For this tutorial, we'll use Bitcoinj, a Java library that allows for the easy implementation of Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and add the necessary dependencies. Once our dependencies are set, we can start programming. First, we need to create a wallet and ensure it is synchronized with the Bitcoin network. We will create a Bitcoin wallet class that handles this functionality. Next, we will add a method to start the wallet and connect it to the Bitcoin network. This will involve creating a blockchain and managing its state. We use blockchain to manage the blocks and thus the state of our wallet. At this point, we need to synchronize our wallet with the Bitcoin network. This means that we'll listen to incoming block updates and maintain our wallet's balance accurately. To do this, we can use a peer connection. Now, let's move on to creating a method that can generate a new Bitcoin address for receiving payments. This will be important for our payment processing functionality. With our wallet handling capabilities set up, it's time to implement the payment processing logic. We'll create a method that accepts the amount to send, the recipient address, and validates the transaction before executing it. Error handling is crucial when working with real money transaction systems. Make sure that you capture and handle any exceptions thrown during payment processing to enhance the user experience and security. Next, we should implement a way to check if the payment has been received. This involves monitoring the wallet's transaction history. The business logic can be in a separate method that will check the incoming transactions balance after processing. For our users, we should provide a user interface where they can see their balance, generate new addresses, and start making and receiving payments. You may choose to implement a GUI in Java using Swing or JavaFX. Security is key when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Utilize features like password protection for your wallet and ensure that private keys are never exposed. Additionally, consider using a secure cloud solution for backups. To give users a better experience, you might want to implement a notification system that alerts them when a payment has been processed successfully or when new funds are received. Now that we have implemented the core parts for our Bitcoin payment processing system, let's do a quick recap of what we have achieved. We created a Bitcoin wallet, processed payments, checked transactions, created a user interface, and put security measures in place. Finally, be sure to test your application thoroughly with small amounts before going live. Always maintain good security practices and stay updated with the latest developments in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more programming content. Happy coding! Here's to new beginnings with Bitcoin payments.